Namaste everyone. I'm Dr. Trupti Bhatt, and here I'm going to share few informations about my upcoming workshop on diabetes. That is yogic management of diabetes. So first of all, diabetes, everyone knows that it is related with the sugar, right? So yes, diabetes in olden days was a king's disease or the royal disease. Royal families used to get this because of the easily available rich fatty food and lack of exercise or very less activity of body. And it is the same in this modern life also. Everybody is king. Basically, all food is available and lots of stress in the sedentary life and no time for exercise or yoga. So out of 5, 3 or 4 is suffering from diabetes. And in coming days, it's going to be worst. More people will have this disease. So needs to correct right this moment to prevent the disease better before it comes. Prevention is always better than cure. So in this workshop, I'm going to share a few tips how to manage diabetes if you have already in a yogic way by just practicing ahar, vihar, achar, vichar. And for them, to prevent this disease, how to inculcate yogic philosophy or the yogic technology in day-to-day life. That is asana, pranayam, meditation that helps to reduce your stress level and to improve your immunity and to not to get this disease. As I said before, diabetes is a degenerative disease. What does that mean? Degeneration means it destructs your all over the body because it affects all vital organs. And I have seen many people, they have lost their even eyes because of the diabetes. So many disease happens and we can prevent them. We can have a beautiful, healthy life without having diabetes. And I have noticed as a doctor also, I have treated many patients that diabetic patients are always very systematic and organized. And they get stressed so easily. So how not to get stressed and how learn to let go and how not to depend on own happiness to others, right? Because you are perfect, but not everyone. So because of others' imperfection, if we are getting affected, that affects our health. And so in this workshop, I'm literally going to share a beautiful tips how to be remain calm and how not to lose your joy because of others. So let's join in this and let's learn together. In Hindi also, I will like to speak because many people, they keep requesting that please speak in Hindi. So for diabetes एक ऐसा रोग है जो पहले के जमाने में सिर्फ राजा महाराजाओं को होता था, बट अब तो हर आम इंसान को भी ये हो सकता है, क्योंकि अब जो जीवन शैली है वहां पर ज्यादा स्ट्रेस है, ज्यादा तनाव से भरी हुई जिंदगी है और एक्सरसाइज के नाम पर, योग के नाम पे और डिसिप्लिन के नाम पे कुछ ज्यादा फॉलो हम नहीं करते. सो ये रोग हो जाता है और होने के बाद उसको मैनेज करना बहुत ही कठिन है क्योंकि बहुत सारा रिस्ट्रिक्शंस आपकी लाइफ पर आ जाता है. तो इस रोग को पहले तो आने ना दें और अगर आ गया है तो उसको कैसे मैनेज करें, ये सारी चीजें मैं अपने ये वर्कशॉप में शेयर करने वाली हूँ. तो आप मेरे साथ ज्वाइन करिए और जीवन जीने का आसान तरीका हम सीखें योगा टेक्नोलॉजी के द्वारा। आहार विहार आचार और विचार के टिप्स के साथ हाउ टू मैनेज डायबिटीज in a yogic way. Let's learn together. Namaste.